Hello and a very warm welcome to Garden Alley. About 2 or 3 months ago, Playmobil re-released this beautiful nostalgic car. The color of the car is the same as it was in the first edition, but as far as I remember, the color of the seats was a bit more pink, and this edition has burgundy colored seats. This set contains 2 figures, whereas the old version contained 3. But it comes with a brown suitcase the older version did not have. Insofar as to the differences, enjoy the video! Playmobil has also re-released a new version of the nostalgic truck, and the unboxing of this set will be available for you to watch on the first Friday of November. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye!